Hi, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll show bouncing button, two type of bouncing button animation. You see here, this is a bouncing button and there is another one. Okay, so how to do this type of animation? You see, in Elementor, there are a class name and I used here buttonBounce class and I have some custom CSS. Okay, this CSS for button bouncing and another class for button plus animation. So if I can change this class here, the animation will change. So if you have Elementor Pro, you can just copy this code and paste it on custom CSS option. And if you don't have Elementor Pro, you can just drag HTML widget, drag anywhere here, and just type here style and paste, so it will work perfectly. Okay, I will share this code in my video description, so you can just copy paste and update the button class name and use it.